How does North Korea get power? Have you ever wondered how North Korea manages to power its nation? It is quite fascinating when you look at their unique approach. North Korea generates its electrical power mainly through a mix of hydroelectric and thermal power plants. This method aligns with their socialist economic model, which emphasizes state ownership and centralized control over resources. The state controls all aspects of production, including energy infrastructure, which reflects the socialist principle of collective ownership. A significant portion of North Korea's electricity comes from hydroelectric power. The country utilizes its rivers and mountainous terrain to produce this energy. This approach is practical, given their limited access to fossil fuels and their focus on self-reliance, known as Juche. Juche is North Korea's distinct socialist ideology that stresses independence in political, economic, and military matters. In addition to hydroelectric power, North Korea also relies on thermal power plants that burn coal to generate electricity. Coal is one of the country's most abundant natural resources, and its extraction is tightly controlled by the state. This reliance on coal-fired plants helps maintain energy production, even in the face of international sanctions and economic challenges. North Korea's socialist system prioritizes resource allocation based on state plans rather than market demand. This means that energy production and distribution are managed to support government priorities. One of these priorities is the military-first policy known as Songun. This policy directs significant resources to the Korean People's Army, influencing how power is distributed. Often, military and elite sectors receive priority over civilian needs. Despite these efforts, North Korea faces ongoing energy shortages. Aging infrastructure, limited fuel supplies, and economic difficulties contribute to this issue. The state has attempted to tackle these challenges through policies aimed at boosting local production and improving energy efficiency. This aligns with their ideology of socialism of our style, which adapts socialist principles to North Korea's specific conditions. In summary, North Korea gets its power through state-controlled hydroelectric and coal-fired thermal plants. This system operates under a socialist framework that emphasizes self-reliance, centralized control, and prioritization of military and elite needs. This unique interpretation of socialism blends Marxist-Leninist ideas with the Juche ideology, helping maintain political control and economic independence.